to look into how to replace the air filter on 2017 KTM Duke 390. You can use the same procedure for any KTM Duke or on any other motorcycle with some changes like air box location or the type of tools that you'll need. Air filter helps your motorcycle to breathe better and keep the engine running with a clean air fuel mixture. This makes the air filter as important to your motorcycle as putting in good quality fuel. Some motorcycles have foam filters which are washable and reusable, and some motorcycles have paper filter which need to be replaced after the company recommended mileage or when they are clogged. The bike we have here is due for its air filter replacement according to company recommended mileage. So the tools that we need for this job: a tray to keep all your tools and screws, star screwdriver, replacement air filter, cleaning cloth, clean piece of cloth to plug the throttle body. Replacing air filter on a KTM Duke is a 10-minute single person job. Airbox is located under the rider's seat. To access that, you need to first remove the pillion seat and then pop the rider's seat out. No tools are needed for this. Unscrew the airbox cover bolts using star screwdriver and keep them in the tools tray. Remove the airbox cover. Lift the old air filter gently to avoid dropping any debris or dust falling into the airbox. Plug the throttle body with a clean piece of cloth. Clean the airbox with a cleaning cloth and remove all the dust and debris from inside the airbox. Remove the clean rag used to plug the throttle body. If you want to use any spray or product to clean your throttle body, you can use it at this point. The products that we use and recommend are in the description below. Install the new air filter. Replace the airbox cover and screw the bolts in. Put the rider's seat back, followed by the pillion seat. After putting the pillion seat back on, start the engine up and keep it running for a few minutes to see if there are any problems. If you don't encounter any problems at this step, you're all set to go for a ride. So that's been it, guys. Like this video if you like it, dislike the video if you did not like it. Let us know in the comments below how we did in this video. And if you are interested in similar videos like this, we have created a whole playlist for you guys about servicing your motorcycle, taking care of your motorcycle, and we will be keeping it up to date as and when we can release new videos. So that's been it. This is me signing off. Thank you. Just when I decide to record a video, this peacock starts shouting its guts out. Okay,